Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tour of my vanity slash makeup collection, if you could say that. So I own one of those Beauty Guru 9-drawer sets from IKEA called the Alex 9-drawer set. I will link it down below. I have my makeup palettes in there, my eye makeup, and then I have my face makeup, nail polish, face mask stuff, just lots of fun stuff in there that is just not makeup awesome. So yeah, I'm going to show you a collection of that right now. But first of all, I'm going to be showing you guys what is on top of my vanity and how I organize it. So the first thing I have here are my makeup brushes. These are my just face makeup brushes. That all is just in a candle jar from Bath & Body Works that I no longer use. Alright, right next to it I have more makeup brushes. These are my eye makeup brushes, and in here are my crease brushes and my spoolies. So right here we have, under my makeup brushes, is my kind of jewelry holder. It is just this glass jewelry holder with a mirror on the back that is quite dirty, as you can see. And it's making my vanity all dirty. And inside, I literally just have candy. That is all that's in the top of it. A fruit roll up. Crazy funny. That's just where I keep it. And that's this drawer. The second drawer I have here, I have some watches. I have a watch from MAC, along with just this white watch. That's basically all that's in there. In the bottom drawer, I have some jewelry, like one of those leather bracelets you get from Disneyland. A bracelet that my friend gave me. And this is a bracelet that's basically Crocs, and you put like gibbets in it. And you can write words on it. So that's what's there. Along with some Christmas necklaces. That's what's in there. Right next to it we have my earring holder. I have all my earrings right here, and underneath I have a few more necklaces that have not made it to there right now, and my necklace that I received from Tiffany, and I don't really have a spot that it fits, and it doesn't really fit in my glass jewelry box. So right now I'm just kind of placing it right there and just kind of, I don't know, letting it hang out on my desk for when I don't use it. Alright, so first obviously is the first drawer, and I'm just going to be showing you what's in here. It is not very organized right now. So I have my Morphe 35O palette, my Lorac palette, I have a set of donut lip balms, I have my white chocolate bar palette, my Anastasia glow kit, this is a Chanel powder, my favorite Huda Beauty 9 shade palette, my first ever eyeshadow palette, the Naked palette. I have a Pacifica palette that I received in an Ipsy. The audio got cut out, so I'm going to tell you this is the Makeup by Mandy palette. And then we have a random palette, I don't even know what it's called. And then the Naked 3 palette that I've had forever, so it's dying. Then we have the Anastasia lip palette. And this full exposure palette. The second drawer in here contains majority of my makeup. So first thing we have are my foundation, concealer, and my beauty blender, and this is where all BB creams, CC creams, and everything that is like base skin goes. Right here I have my Mario Badescu spray, and then another makeup setting spray, and this setting spray all go in here. So it's basically like setting sprays and just sprays for your face. Right here is where I have like it's like eye stuff basically, so it's all like eyeshadow, eyeliner, stuff like that. And then in the back here, which you probably cannot see, so I'll like pull it up, is bronzers and like powders and blushes and like little highlighter singles and stuff like that. In the back here we have new products or like a product that I have never opened. So this is like the makeup sponge. I think I might be doing a tutorial to see how bad these are, because I've tried the big one, but I've never tried a mini one. And then I have a Birchbox little mirror. And then the last thing I have in here is some makeup wipes, and that is what I keep in this second drawer. In the third drawer, this is where I keep all of my lip products. So right here I keep my like lip gloss, or not lip glosses, my lip balms, lip scrubs, stuff of that sort. Right here, this is where I keep lipsticks, lip liners. Right here I keep lip glosses, and then in the back I have some like liquid lipsticks. So basically how I organize all this stuff is I take the Birchbox containers and I just put them in there to separate them, and they fit really well in these drawers. So if you are thinking of an easy way to separate these and you have these drawers, that is a great way to do it. In this fourth drawer down, we have miscellaneous sprays. So like lots of hair products along with perfumes and stuff like that. I also have my deodorant. So it's basically just like products like lotion, mostly stuff like that. In the fifth drawer down, this is where I keep my stage makeup and face paint from when I did acting when I was in middle school, and a little, yeah, just stuff like that. I also keep my henna down here. It just fits, that's where I put it. Right, in this next drawer down, we have a lot of stuff. This is basically face products and or my waxing kit, or like, I don't know, this is kind of miscellaneous. I have like some extra face shavers that I showed you from the top of my thing, along with like some face masks and some bath products, and then I also have my waxer that I use to like wax my face. That's what all is in there. Alright, so the next drawer down, this is where I keep all of my nail products, including my nail oils, nail polishes, nail clippers, and that's where I keep all of this in this one drawer all together. In this drawer, this is where I keep all of my makeup bags and my makeup brush holder from Vanity Planet. And that is where I keep all of that, like my old Ipsy bags, Bath & Body Works bags, just miscellaneous stuff. That is where I keep all of that. In the very last drawer at the bottom, this is where I keep all of my hair stuff. It is not very clean at all right now, but brushes, my curler, my brushes, my curler, my hair ties, this is where I keep all of that. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked seeing where I keep all of my makeup and beauty products. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment for more things that you want to see. Thank you guys for watching this so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.